Let's tackle this messy differentiation and trigonometry question. We're given an expression for y and asked to show that dy d theta is equal to that, where a is a rational constant to be found. We want to differentiate, and we have an expression here which is in a fraction, so the quotient rule seems relevant. Let's call the top u and the bottom v, always, and make a note of our quotient rule on the side. Dy dx is v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. And now we're ready to do the differentiation. So if u equals 3 sine theta, that means du d theta will be 3 cos theta. V is 2 sine theta plus 2 cos theta. So dv d theta is 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta. Now put it into the quotient rule really carefully. So using brackets to help you, v 2 sine theta plus 2 cos theta times du dx, in this case 3 cos theta, minus u 3 sine theta times dv dx, 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta, all over v squared. So all over 2 sine theta plus 2 cos theta squared. Now, often in these questions, the algebra gets worse before it gets better, so I would recommend that you expand and simplify where you can. When we do that in this case, we get 6 sine theta cos theta plus 6 cos squared theta minus 6 sine theta cos theta plus 6 sine squared theta. That's just for the numerator. On the denominator, expand those double brackets out, and you'll get 4 sine squared plus 8 sine cos plus 4 cos squared. Now we're here, we're going to look for things to simplify. So straight away we can see we can cancel the 6 sine theta cos theta here. And then we've got 6 cos squared theta plus 6 sine squared theta on the numerator and 4 sine squared theta plus 4 cos squared theta on the denominator. So it looks like we can use the identity there, sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. Also, 8 sine theta cos theta is where the sine 2 theta is going to come from, because that's a multiple of the sine 2 theta identity. Let's show all of this in the next step. So I would factor out a 6 on the top and show that that's sine squared theta plus cos squared theta in brackets. Similarly, I'd take a 4 out on the bottom and do the same. Then I would convert the 8 sine theta cos theta into 4 sine 2 theta. Now, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, as we said, will just be 1. So those will effectively go away, which is great. And all we're going to be left with is 6 on the top and 4 plus 4 sine 2 theta on the bottom. It's almost in the form they want, but not quite. So let's leave the 6 on the top and factor out a 4 to get this. Then we can make it 6 over 4 on the top and just 1 plus sine 2 theta on the denominator like they want. And then we can just cancel down the 6 over 4 into 3 over 2. And that is the correct form that they want. So in other words, A is 3 over 2.